Cooking with Dom is sponsored by the Certified Angus Beef brand, available at Meijer.
Of course, if you're going to make peanut butter cookies, you have to start with peanut butter. We have it there, a cup of that. Here we go. We're going to start with our softened butter, 1 and 2. We're going to add with the brown sugar and the regular sugar, cup of each. And we're going to add 2 eggs. And we can mix that up, put that in there, and just cream it all together. Get it all incorporated. Now we want to add our baking powder, our salt, and our baking soda, and incorporate all that. Now we're going to drop in the peanut butter. That's over a cup. Incorporate that, and then we have just over 2 cups of flour. Just over 2 cups of flour. We're going to put that in and then mix all that up, and we might have to go to the hands because this gets pretty thick. All right, now we're going to kick it up a notch. We have some chocolate morsels we're going to add in. That's about a half a cup, and a half a cup of peanut butter pieces. All right, and then we'll just incorporate all that in there. Oh, these are going to be so good. These are going to be decadent cookies. Now that is some cookie dough. All right, so I've had these in the fridge about an hour now just to firm them up. And now we're going to make cookies. You just want to grab a ball, about that big, and we're just going to put them on the cookie sheet like that. Now the last thing we do before we bake them, we do this, a little bit of that. All right, we have the oven set at 350. We're going to put it on the middle rack. We're going to set the timer for 10 minutes, and that should do it, although we'll have to check them, but that should do it. Look at those bad boys. Oh my goodness, how do those look? Oh yeah. So easy, so good, and they smell so delicious. Make them. I guarantee you your family will like them.
Cooking with Dom is sponsored by the Certified Angus Beef brand, available at Meijer.